Hi, I hope you're having a good weekend. I am just kind of running through what we did last week here, and I have to say that if you're absent, you're still supposed to do your makeup work. So if you just missed Tuesday, then you can kind of maybe get some tips here from what we did on Tuesday. First of all, if we're using our textbook in class, which we do often, it is right here where it says Unit 1 textbook. It's a couple of other places in the class. So as I click on there, the inline viewer comes up, and we started with lesson 1.7 this week, so you can just kind of scroll down till you find 1.7 once this loads, and then you'll be able to see what the reading passage is and what the questions are. So that one loaded from earlier, but as I like if I scroll down, here I am, I'm in lesson 1.6. Just kind of like flipping the pages there. So we started this week talking about Gandhi and civil disobedience. Again, I'm going to click on modules, and the module from last week is here up at the top. We started with lesson 1.7, and students had one question to answer where they were supposed to follow the good pattern of good writing. The next assignment, we did a Nearpod in class. So you would read the passage for lesson 1.8. Oh wait, the next assignment we did something in Newsella. So actually, you click right here, and there are four passages in there that we read to build background knowledge before lesson 1.8. So you pick two, and you're supposed to share two screenshots showing that you made a 3 out of 4 and list two things that you learned. You can do that all in one Word document and attach it there. So again, make sure that you go to Newsella through Canvas because that's the way our classes are hooked up. And then we did a Nearpod in lesson 1.8. And so this is the Nearpod. You can follow it from there, and the textbook is here. And you read the passage, of course, and answer the questions in the Nearpod. From there, on Friday, we were doing lesson 1.10, and we didn't read the whole passage for that one. We read one paragraph. It was paragraph 12, principle 4, and we answered questions 5 and 6 using a topic sentence and one piece of commentary. We talked about data and statistics, and we had a really good conversation at the beginning of each class about how we don't necessarily always trust the data and the statistics that are given to us, and that we kind of question things. So that is a review of that this week and this past week, and this next week we're going to do more in lesson 1.10. This was from 1.10, and then we'll do some Newsella, and the culminating event is this week, so that's kind of cool.